In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a floor plan in Microsoft Visio. Begin by opening the Microsoft Visio desktop app. Go to File, choose New, and find the Maps and Floor Plans category. Select Floor Plan and click Create to open your drawing. If you don't see floor plan templates, you may be using a basic or online edition. The template is included with Visio Professional and Visio Plan 2. Before drawing, it helps to set a real-world scale so measurements make sense. On the Design tab, open Page Setup. In the dialog, choose an architectural or metric scale or enter a custom ratio. Then pick a page size and click OK. With a scale applied, shapes resize accurately, and dimensions will reflect actual lengths. Now add the structure of the space. Open the walls, shell and structure stencil on the left, and drag wall or room shapes onto the page. Resize walls by dragging their handles. When endpoints meet, Visio automatically glues them together and cleans intersections for tidy corners. Zoom in as needed to keep joints precise. Next, place doors, windows, and other structural elements. Drag door and window shapes onto your wall lines from the same stencil. Visio rotates them to align with the wall and matches the wall thickness so they fit correctly. If needed, flip a door's swing by dragging the control handle. For stairs, columns, and similar core items, open the building core stencil and drop in what you need. Furnish the layout so it looks like a real space. Use the office furniture, office equipment, or electrical and telecom stencils to find desks, chairs, fixtures, and devices. Drag them into rooms and position them using the green alignment guides for clean spacing. Hold Shift while resizing a corner to keep proportions. Add measurements so your plan communicates size at a glance. Right-click a wall, choose. Add a dimension, then drag the dimension line into position. Click the text to edit labels if you want a custom note. The numbers automatically honor the scale you set earlier. If you already have a CAD drawing, you can bring it in instead of starting from scratch. Go to Insert, choose CAD Drawing, select a DWG or DXF file, and click Open. Use the import options to place and scale the plan, then trace or augment as needed. Lock the imported layer afterward to avoid moving it. When you're done, save and share your work. Choose File and Save to store it as a VSDX. For broader sharing, go to File, Export to create a PDF or image, or use Save As and choose AutoCAD DWG for CAD compatibility. Your floor plan is ready to present.